Good morning, children. I have already learned about the number systems yesterday, Indian system, international system, and some sums on those systems. Today we are learning about expand form and short form here. Here written expanded form. Here the number is 98,673. Here ones place digit is 3 and tens place digit is 7, 100 place digit is 6 and 1000 place digit is 8 and 10,000 place digit is 9. So 9 is in the place of 10,000 place. So 9 into 10,000 plus 8 in the place of 1000 place. So 8 into 1000 plus 6 is in the place of 100 place. So 6 into 100 plus 7 is in the place of tens place. So 7 into 10 plus 3 is the place of ones place. So 3 into 1. So here 9 into 10,000 is 90,000 plus 8 into 1000 is 8,000, 6 into 100 is 600 plus 7 into 10 is 70 plus 3 1s are 3. This is the expanded form. Here I have given another example for you. Here I given a number is 9,76,541. Here the ones place digit is 1 and tens place digit is 4 and 100 place digit is 5 and 1000 place digit is 6 and 10,000 place digit is 7 and 1 lakhs place digit is 9. So 9 is in the place of 1 lakhs place. So 9 into 1 lakh plus 7 in the place of 10,000 place. So 7 into 10,000 plus 6 is in the place of 1000 place. So 6 into 1000 plus 5 is in the place of 100 place. So 5 into 100 plus 4 is in the place of tens place. So 4 into 10 plus 1 is in the place of ones place. So 1 into 1. So here we have 9 into 1 lakh is 9 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 70,000 and 6 into 1000 is 6,000 and 5 into 100 is 500, 4 into 10 is 40 plus 1 into 1 is 1. All you understand or not? I have now explained another form is short form. That is, here what I have given is, here the 8 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 4. So I have to write it in short form. So lakhs place is 8, so I have to write it as 8, and 10,000 place is 7, I have to write 7, and 1000 place is 4, I have to write it 4, and 100 place is 4, I have to write 4 here, and tens place digit is 8, you have to write it as 8 and ones digit is 4. So our number is 8,74,484. I have to write like this. I have given another example for you. Here is 90 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 60, 90 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 50 plus 7. So here 10 lakhs place is 9 and 1 lakhs place is 8 and 10,000 place is 6 and there is no 1,000 place, you have to put a 0 here, and there is no 100 place, you have to put a 0 here, and the tens place digit is 5, you have to write 5 here, and ones place digit is 7, you have to write 7 here. So our number is 98,60,057. All of you understand or not? Okay, here I have given a largest 5-digit number. All of you know about it. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. What is the largest 5-digit number? You have to write 5 nines here. If you want a 6-digit largest 6-digit number, you have to write 6 nines here. Here largest 5-digit number, so you have to write 5 nines here. 99999. That is 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. But what is the smallest 5-digit number? You have to write 1 in the 1 and last 4 digits you have to write as 0. So smallest 5-digit number is 1 lakh. Similarly, largest 6-digit number is, you have to write 6 nines here. 9,99,999. and smallest 6-digit number you have to write 1 and further numbers you have to write as zeros. So I have to put 1 here and write 5 zeros after the 1. Okay. Next, here given an example for you. What is the difference between a largest 5-digit number and a smallest 4-digit number? Already you have to know largest 5-digit number is 99,999. That is 5 digits, the largest 5-digit number. So I have to write 5 nines here. What is smallest 4-digit number? I have to write ones, and after 3 numbers, the last 3 numbers are zeros. So smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The difference is 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So I have put 9 here. So our difference is 98,999. I have given another example for you. Make a largest 5-digit number and a smallest 5-digit number with the digits 3, 7, 0, 4 and 9. He given the digits 3, 7, 0, 4, 9. I have to write a largest number with these numbers and a smallest number with these numbers. And after that I have to find the difference between them. So largest 5-digit number with these digits is, what is the largest number in these numbers? 9 is the largest number in these numbers. So I have to write first 9. And after that, what is the second largest number in this? 7. And what is the third largest number in these numbers? 4. And what is the after 4th largest number is 3. And last number is 0. So the largest 5-digit number with these digits is 97,430. So what is the smallest 5-digit number with these digits? We already know about that 0 is only the 0 is the smallest number, but we cannot write the 0 as first. I have to write after the smallest number after 0. After smallest number is 3. So I have to write 3 here. Next I have to write 0, and another one, the smallest number is 4, and then last number is 7, and the smallest number is 9. Find the difference between these two numbers. We cannot here borrow 1 here. 10 minus 9 is 1, and 12 minus 7 is 5. Here 13 minus 4 is 9, and 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we get the answer is 66,951. Here are given worksheet for you. Write the numbers in expanded form. I had to write in expanded form these two sums, and another sum is write in short form. You have to write the short form for these two sums, and I have given a third sum is find the sum and difference of largest 5-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. You have to write the largest 5-digit number and smallest 3-digit number, and sum up and find the sum and find the difference also. All of you understand or not? You have to write the largest 5-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. After you write the largest 5-digit number and largest 3-digit number, you find the sum of these two numbers and difference the numbers also. And the fourth sum is make a largest and smallest numbers with the digits 86403 and find the difference. Here I given 5 numbers 86403. So I have to write the largest 5-digit number with these digits, and also write the smallest 5-digit number with these numbers, and after that you have to find the difference. And if all of you done this worksheet and put it in the WhatsApp.